In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The telephone conversation between Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi and the Foreign Minister of Iran regarding the regional situation. The seizure of 10 Pakistani militia outposts in Kandahar province along with military equipment as war booty by Afghan security forces. And India issues a stern warning to Pakistan. Welcome to our today news package. It's Tuesday, the 14th of Ramadan al-Mubarak, 1447, the 12th of Hud, 1404, and the 3rd of March, 2026. The news details. Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, and Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, the Foreign Minister of Iran, held a telephone conversation regarding the recent incidents and the prevailing situation in the region. Based on the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi during the call expressed deep concern over the latest political crisis and condemned the aggression of the United States and Israel against Iran. His Excellency also conveyed his condolences and sympathy to the government and people of Iran over the sorrowful targeting of the country's leader. For his part, the Foreign Minister of Iran appreciated Afghanistan's expression of sympathy and stated position and elaborated on his country's assessment of the ongoing aggression and the countermeasures undertaken by the Islamic Republic of Iran. The Afghan Foreign Minister further emphasized that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan rejects violations of national sovereignty, territorial integrity, and sanctity of states, considering such actions contrary to established principles of the international law. He underscored the necessity of an immediate cessation of tension and called for recourse to diplomatic channels to ensure a peaceful resolution of the crisis. Mufti Ayatollah Khwarizmi, the spokesperson for the Ministry of National Defense, stated that clashes between the country's defense forces and Pakistani militias are ongoing. He noted that the enemy has reportedly lost morale and continues to abandon its position. Based on the statements he made, so far 10 Pakistani militia outposts in Kandahar province have been captured along with their equipment as war booty. He further added that Afghan forces have seized a major armored outpost in Maruf, the district of Kandahar province, and have completely destroyed an armored tank. The news continuation. The residents of Uruzgan province during a large public gathering in support of the border forces condemned Pakistan's recent attacks and reaffirmed their commitment to Afghanistan's national sovereignty and territorial integrity. Participants described the defense of the homeland as their religious and moral duty, declaring that they would not permit any country to commit aggression against Afghanistan. This comes as recent days residents of other provinces have also expressed support for the decisive retaliatory operations carried out by the security and defense forces of the Islamic Emirate against Pakistani militias, announcing their preparation to defend the country. And ultimately, Rajnath Singh, the Defense Minister of India, stated that his country's recent military operation against Pakistan, dubbed Operation Sindoor, has been halted but not concluded. Speaking at the session of Indian Parliament, he warned that India stands prepared to deliver a firm response should provocations by Pakistan continue. The Indian Defense Minister affirmed that the previous operation had successfully achieved its designated objectives. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bestow His boundless blessings upon Muslim Ummah in this holy month of Ramadan Kareem. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.